Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 415th episode and the 6th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. I'm very excited about this video. I am participating in a pie collaboration with a group of YouTubers just in time for Thanksgiving. I can't wait to see what kind of delicious pie everybody's going to make. And I'll post links to all their channels and pie recipes down below in the description box. For our collaboration, I'm going to make a Southern Butterscotch Pie. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to be bursting with butterscotch flavor. And if you're looking for a different kind of pie to serve at your Thanksgiving dinner, y'all going to love this recipe. It is out of this world. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pies and my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, Honey Butter Yeast Rolls. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your milk, and your brown sugar, because we're about to bake some butterscotch pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And give this a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. And we're going to heat this up a little bit. Alright, the milk mixture is nice and hot. And over here I have 2 extra large eggs at room temperature that are lightly beaten. We're going to take a ladle of the milk and pour it into the egg. And we're going to slowly temper these so we don't get scrambled eggs. Alright, that's good. So now we're going to pour it back into the milk mixture. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to let this cook until it's thickened. Alright, my friends, the filling is nice and thick. Smells amazing. Perfect. Now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And stir these in until the butter melts. Alrighty, my friends. Our butterscotch pudding is complete. Now we're ready to pour it into the pie crust. We're going to pour it into a baked 9-inch pie shell. And I use a refrigerated pie crust, but I have a recipe for homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Or you can use a frozen pie crust. And you want to bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes. And it's nice and golden brown. Now we're ready to put this butterscotch pie in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 5 minutes until it's brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. That's how simple and easy it is to make a butterscotch pie. I have taken it out of the oven. Don't that look delicious? And it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. So now we're going to let it cool for a few minutes. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And of course, you can't have butterscotch pie without some whipped cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Creamy and decadent. And the pie crust is perfectly cooked. I'm in butterscotch heaven. This is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And grab me some whipped cream. It's nice and buttery. Yum, oh. Butterscotch Pie-licious. Wow, what an awesome pie collaboration. Thank you again, my friends, for inviting me. I had a wonderful time. And again, I'll post link to everybody's channel and pie recipe down below in the description box. Many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.